Hello, brothers and sisters, and everybody out there. This is a video about dash cams and batteries, and I've been seeing a lot of people being ripped off by certain companies that tout their battery, their their battery to be you know, it's all about marketing. They make their battery as the dash cam battery, meaning that the parking mode and all that other stuff will continue to work even if you shut off the car. And well, if you just look and do the research, you'll find out that the output and all the electrical information is there for you to read, and all you have to do is search. And it took me about a good hour, I think, to search, but I finally found a battery that is amazing, that is just as capable as these other batteries that we're going to look at right now. Let's take a look at them right now. Okay, so um, uh, let's say most people are going to search for battery for dash cam, right? Okay, the one that always comes up are these Cell-Link. They come with a whole bunch of things, giving you double the recording time, a great benefit for use with parking mode, right? Because that's what people want, is when their car is parked. If anything happens, it records the event, and it's fast charging and this and that, blah 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 blah. $329, only 5 left in stock. So, and this one is probably the most popular one. Let me see. The PowerCell. Where is it? PowerCell 8. Anyways, here it is right here. $399, $429, and people buy these things, and I'm like, there's got to be something out there that's comparable, and it is. And if you just look at the specifications, well, I found it. And 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 this is it right here. It's called the Talon Cell 12-volt Life PO4 battery pack, because that's the same battery that they're using. It's lithium iron phosphate battery, and that's the same one that's being touted with the PowerCell batteries and the other ones that I just showed you. And look at the price, guys. $53.99. It's absolutely amazing. If you look here at the output, well, that's an output for something else. But for the USB output, it's 5-volt 2A. It's awesome. I can't describe it to you. These iron phosphate batteries are awesome. But if you look at the description, it says unit count 4. So there's 4 batteries in there. I think the PowerCell has 8 or 9, but it really doesn't make a difference, guys. What I wanted to show you is this. Anyways, it comes. It's it's heavy. I can tell you that much. It's heavy, man. Very easy to use. You just plug it in, and then that's it. And let me tell you, the Ubering that I've done, the ride sharing that I've done, I mean, I think I spent about 8 hours one day, nonstop. And then when I got home, I looked at the battery level indicator, and it was still completely charged. There's one, two, three, four little LEDs, so, to let you know how charged the battery is. And this one, it was still full, 100% charged. And I did a lot of driving. It was a long night, and I was just amazed, absolutely amazed that this battery could do it. And the thing that I was looking mostly for was where is it? Right here. Here. 83.2 WH. I really don't know what that is, but all I know is that the power cell and all the other batteries are like 96 WH. So this is very, very close. And it's a 6500 milliamp battery, built in 4 pieces, high quality LiFePO4 batteries, which are the exact same type of batteries that are in the $324 and $429, marketed dash cam batteries. No, no, no. Don't fall for the deception, guys. This battery does exactly what those other batteries do, if not better. And it's $53, man, compared to $400. It's ridiculous. So, anyways, I hope this helps somebody out there. This is the battery you want to get if you are a rideshare driver and you just want long-lasting power, and your dash cam will work in parking mode and all those other modes. It's just constant power, and it will not let you down. It has a very long cable, so what I do is I tuck it I tuck the little cable, you know how it is. You just tuck it into the lining of the car, the upper on top of the windshield, and then you go past the A pillar, down the B pillar. And I go down the B pillar, which goes directly to underneath my front passenger seat, and that's where I keep the battery, and that's it. It's so simple, man, and it's just so. When I saw those prices, I was like, that's all marketing. There's a battery out there that's just as good, and this battery is just as good, if not better. What an amazing bargain! What an amazing value! $53, man. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. You can see the ratings are excellent too, but anyways, let me see what else it says here. LF4100 lithium iron phosphate battery is designed specifically to integrate with our light bars, flexible LED lights, digital cameras, booth lighting, Bluetooth speaker, Spectra S2 breast pump, 12-volt HD TV, portable TV, fish finder, or most 12-volt, 9-volt, 5-volt DC electronic devices. High quality portable battery can offer more power for the travel. But again, I was looking at two things again, which was the capacity and look, long life cycle, 2,000 plus cycles. LF4 112-volt lithium iron battery pack is constructed from 4 pieces of high quality lithium iron phosphate, just like the $400 competitors. PO4 battery, 32,700 cells and 4S1 at P, inner positive outer. High capacity, 12.8 volt, 6,500 milliamps, 83.2 WH, which I don't know what that means. I'm not an electrician. DC 5521 output, 14.6 volt to 9 volt, nominal 12.8 volt, 5 amp max. DC 4017 output, 9 volt 2A max, 5 volt USB output, 5 volt 2A max. The voltage of the DC 5521 output port is output directly from 4S Li-ion batteries by through the PCM, so the output voltage is not constant. But in one of the discharge cycles, more than 90% of the time, the output voltage is about from 12 volts to 13 volts. And Life PO4 batteries have excellent characteristics: large capacity, small volume, lightweight, multiple protection, keep the battery safe, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, short circuit protection. And all I can say is the battery is awesome. For anyone who is anyone who is into ride sharing and doesn't want to spend $400, man, this is the way to go. What is this, a telescope or something? I don't even know what that is. The pocket cinema camera. Okay, whatever that is. Anyways, oh look, someone just put in with a car. Power supply for dash cam all parked with a 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter car charger, cigarette lighter power supply adapter providing the input, and a USB 1.4 power outlet. I have a dash cam and GPS powered by this, with outlets for cell phone charges. Cigarette lighter turns off when the car is turned off, and the devices stay powered for at least a day when the switch on as device is on. That's true. It's so powerful, but it's the perfect power for the dash cam is what I'm trying to tell you. I don't know what this guy did with all the splitter stuff. I don't know. All I know is I just plug this in because it has a USB outlet, right? So I plug in the USB. That's gonna be a USB. Yeah, because I have this one right here. Anyways, I hope you guys read this. Because I have the dash cam that I purchased is so yeah, here's the dash cam that I purchased. Very, very happy with it. It's the COOAU dual dash cam, which means that it has a lens in the front and a lens in the back, meaning that it's all in one. You don't have to, there's no cord that runs to the back. Okay, so as you can see here, let's look at the video. It's I really recommend it. Um, Dual 1080p recording, infrared super night vision, 24-hour parking monitor, loop recording, um, G sensor and lock for IR LEDs. Um, it's basically just a full featured um, dash cam. It's just really, really worth the price, and it's not that expensive. Supervised environment. Yeah, I left it out actually one day. When I was not ride sharing, I left it out, parked in the car, the whole day, bright, sunshiny South Florida day. Nothing happened to it. Nothing at all. You could use it with the app or without the app. I actually prefer to use it without the app. So this is what you see. You can see the inside and the outside. So it's recording the inside and the outside simultaneously, which is really great. The people that are going to be inside the car with you, ride sharing, at night they'll definitely not notice that there's a dash cam there. During the day, they will notice that there's a dash cam there, but it's very, very. I don't know how to say it. It's kind of like it's not really that noticeable. You see how how it is right there. So it's not. It really isn't, especially when you mount it high up near your rear view mirror. So, anyways, I just wanted to show you the battery, and I wanted to show you the dash cam that I have. This one right now is only $134, which is great. Wow, I paid more than that. That's because technology keeps increasing. Now they have some crazy stuff. But this is the way to go. This is one of the best. Like I said, I always do my research extensively before I purchase anything. And the battery that I was just mentioning, and this dash cam, you buy these two. It's simple, it's easy, and you don't have to worry about anything. It's a great combination. So I just wanted to share that with all of you guys out there that do ride sharing, and stay safe out there, and God bless you.